Hi there, Lucas from UQ Army here. In this video we'll go over a type of QR code that likes to chat, the WhatsApp QR code. Instant messaging is a blessing. We can chat with anyone in the world instantly. And what better way to do so than with WhatsApp, one of the most used messaging apps out there. What a WhatsApp QR code can do for you is to allow your clients to chat with you instantly. Once people scan the QR code, the app will open and a welcome message will be ready for them to send and start the conversation. WhatsApp QR codes can help you engage with your target audience on a more personal level. You can use it to provide information, support, or even as a means to sell products or services. Also, once scanned, people can opt to save the number as a contact so they can stay in touch. If you want to create a WhatsApp QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.